right, next candle we're gonna do is 6:50 a.m. Still during pre-market. Our entry will go right here. After this low came up, created this high, came back for the retest, got us in. Same setup as last time. First target for 10 points, second target for 15 points. Stop loss is set at 13 points. And once I get my first 10 points, stop loss will come down to break even so I can secure the 10 points just in case the market decides to come back. I'll at least have 10. First target, second target. And whenever you get pulled back like that, the thing that you have to remember is when you take a trade, you have to be confident in taking that trade. So don't get scared. Don't cancel out. Don't close the trade out. Because if you close too early, you'll end up losing money instead of gaining. When you're taking the trade, be confident in the trade that you're taking so that you can gain wins, not losses.